Oh my gosh, my friends, Ark just released new Tesla price target for 2025 and it's crazy, so let's check this out. So according to Ark INVEST research, their expected value in 2025 is $3,000 per share. Oh my gosh, this projections is our base case for Tesla stock price in 2025 based on Monte Carlo analysis. Oh my gosh, it would be, today's price is 654, so it would be 4.5x from today in 5 years. Oh man, and I thought that I am bullish on Tesla. When I see that, it looks like I am bearish, man. What the hell? Their bear case is 1,500. We believe that there is a 25% probability that Tesla could be worth 1,500 per share or less in 2025, and their bull case is $4,000. We believe there is 25% probability that Tesla could be worth 4,000 per share or more in 2025. Oh my god. I will give you a link to this research in the description, but look at some numbers here. This is crazy. Cars sold 10 million. Oh my gosh, their bull case is 10 million cars in 2025. Bear case is 5 million. Even bear case is 5 million, man. Oh my god. Revenue for bull case 367 billion and bear case 234 billion. Autonomous ride hail revenue 327 billion in bull case. In bear case they have 0, okay. But in bull case 327 billion in 2025. I really feel like a bear on Tesla, man, if I look at that. And I'm bullish, right? Total gross margin is bigger, okay, 50%. EBITDA 30, market cap 4 trillion, man. Do you remember my video? I will show you at the end of this research my video what I made on Tesla half year ago. They upgraded it because they added Tesla's insurance business to our model and we added assumptions for human-driven ride-hail service. And we increased the probability of Tesla achieving full autonomous driving within 5 years. I believe in full self-driving so much. It's really the key for Tesla right now. It's the key for that crazy valuation and so on. But can they get it in 5 years, man? Isn't it too fast? I don't know. Can you imagine cars driving alone on the streets in 5 years? Oh man. Ark believes that in the next few years Tesla could roll out its insurance offering to more states, underwriting its own insurance policies. Tesla could achieve margins close to 40% here, okay. Tesla could achieve better than average margins on insurance thanks to the highly detailed driving data it collects from customer vehicles. Yeah, that's right, they have a great advantage because they collect so much data and it's all about it. They have so many cars on the road and then they collect data all the time, and I think it's maybe the most valuable thing on Tesla, that software part about it. In our last valuation model, Ark assumed that Tesla had 30% chance of delivering fully autonomous driving in the 5 years ended 2024. Now Ark estimates that the probability is 50% by 2025. They are so close. If you follow my Twitter, I posted a few days ago one full self-driving video, and it was like, oh my gosh, they are so close. Ark estimates that Tesla's vehicle fleet gives it access to 30 to 40 million miles of data per day. This is what I'm talking about. This is super important and super valuable thing here. Up from 20 million per day last year. Man. If 60% of its vehicles equipped with autopilot were to serve as robotaxis, Tesla could generate an additional 160 billion in EBITDA in 2025. This is fun here. Look at it. There is some kind of percentage that it can be 30,000, 18,000, 23,000, some kind of percentage that Tesla will go to the moon. Revenue by business line in our expected value case is 507 billion revenue in 2025. 507 billion revenue. We do not model Tesla's utility energy storage or solar business in our models. We also have non-modeled Bitcoin assumptions in our model. They don't even count the energy storage, solar business, and even Bitcoin. They don't count that in their model. Like, what the hell? What the hell? Look at it. I made a video that I'm investing in Tesla 4 months ago. How I plan to invest 500,000 in Tesla stock. And many people were like, you are crazy, like it's super overvalued, go to somewhere you don't understand it. But look at it, what I said here. Let's say Tesla sells 20 million cars in 2030. with average price $35,000. It is $700 billion. Let's say hypothetically they have 10% net profit, so it's $70 billion in net profit, and let's say that market value Tesla by 30 multiple, and we have here $2.1 trillion market cap. Today's market cap is around $400 billion. And I said that 2 trillion in 2030 is really possible, and I thought that it's super bearish scenario also because I didn't count energy, I didn't count full self-driving, I didn't count insurance, I didn't count solar, and I said 2 trillion. And many people, even with that number, in the comments were like, well, you don't know what you're talking about, it's super overvalued, Tesla goes to zero, or I don't know. But look at the Ark now, man. I said 2 trillion, and now I look like super bear. So I said that in the most bearish scenario, I will 5x my money from this 400 billion. So that's why I invested, because it's still great return in the bearish scenario. And now we can see after half a year that we can even go to the moon. By the way, I said 2 trillion only because I already had in mind a little bit more. I had something like 4 to 5, but I didn't want to say that because people would just unsubscribe and go to hell because they would be like, what are you talking about, man? So I was super bearish in that, and now look at that, how people are thinking today, right? Only after half a year. Tesla is crazy, man. By the way, on Twitter on February, I posted Tesla 5 trillion market cap in 10 years. That would be still 20% per year. I think it was price around 800 before that correction right now. I think it was like that. And that's my bearish scenario. Tesla, and 20% per year, guys. It's great return, man. Warren Buffett's average return is 20%. It's super great return. Average S&P 500 last 100 years is 8 or 9%. So 20% is still great return. So this is my new official price target for 2030, and Ark has 4 trillion bullish in 5 years and 3 trillion base case in 5 years. Man, this is crazy. I love Tesla. This is so much fun investing in Tesla. By the way, guys, this video is not financial advice. This is only for entertainment purposes only, okay? It's only my opinions and I can be totally wrong. So don't invest only according to my opinions, okay? By the way, this is my view on Tesla right now. Tesla is like blue chip company for me. I don't expect it to grow as fast as some my other positions, but I see it like almost guaranteed decent growth over the years and years and years to come. That's why I'm heavily invested in Tesla. I'm not saying it's gonna be the best performing stock of my portfolio because there is already a lot of it priced in, but I see it almost like a blue chip company with really decent growth, so that's why I'm heavily invested in it. By the way, guys, if you come to my Twitter, Viral Erik, there is still this pinned tweet and this crazy bet what I made with you. If Bitcoin fails and falls below $20,000 in the next 3 months from March of 6th, so to June 6th, I will send $20,000 cash to someone who retweets this tweet. Not kidding. I have already 6,000 retweets, and if really Bitcoin falls, I am gonna give you money because that's another thing what I'm super bullish, and I don't believe it can fall below 20,000. So that's why I made this bet to show you that if I say something, I believe in it. I don't know why you are not here already because Twitter is really the best source of information. I'm telling you so much information there, and also I made here one huge bet. I'm not gonna show you here. I told my Twitter followers what I am doing, and it's already like 30 or 40% up. I will tell you next time, it's crazy. So come to my Twitter, Viral Erik. And also I have link in the description, you can download ShareSite, the best portfolio tracker where I track my investments, all investments. It's really the best one. I can see my returns against the benchmark and so on, so it's really nice. And you can get 4 months for free if you click on my link, sharesite.com/ErikInvestor. If you click here, go here, you will get 4 months for free when you purchase an annual premium plan. So that's it for today, my friends. This is totally crazy, man. We will see how it's gonna happen in the future years, and man, I feel bearish now when I saw that report. Okay, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. And what do you think about Tesla now, right now? What do you think? Bye.